folks, my name is Jeannie and I'm a graduate student in the School of Biomedical Engineering out at UBC. And today we're going to talk a little bit about microfluidics. So first we're going to have a little bit of an introduction from Dr. Tropini, who is a professor at the school.
Hi, my name is Dr. Carolina Tropini and I'm a professor in the UBC School of Biomedical Engineering. I research the microbes that live inside our gut. In our lab, we also use a lot a technique called microfluidics. And microfluidics is really the miniaturization of laboratory processes. So some applications that we can do with this is, for example, to simulate a gut on a chip or even lungs on a chip. And in this way, we can study processes in real time as they're happening. We can observe them while they're happening.
Hi, my name is Genevieve Bonner, and I'm a third-year biomechanics and biomaterials student at UBC. I'm looking to study women's health and prosthesis.
Hi everyone, my name is Kohari Chen, and I'm a third-year biomedical engineering student at UBC, specializing in systems and signals. I'm really interested in working in electronic prosthetics and medical robotics.
And today, we're going to learn all about microfluidics.
For this workshop, we're going to make our very own microfluidics chips, except we're going to make them a little bit bigger than a microchip. For this project, you will need
Coffee filters, water, a pipette, your favorite color of crayons, food coloring, and a hair dryer. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your coffee filter and mush it down until it's all flat. And then you're going to choose your favorite color of crayon. Mine is cerulean, and you're going to draw all of the channels along your coffee filter in whatever pattern you want. And we're doing this so we can hold the fluid in so it doesn't go out into the rest of our testing chamber. Just like that.
Now what you're going to do is take a little bit of water and your favorite color of food coloring. Mine is red because that is the official engineering color here at UBC. And I'm just going to put 2 drops in, just like that. And I'm going to use a pipette to stir it, but you can use a spoon or a fork or whatever you have at home. And I'm going to show you some of the colors that I've already pre-made. I have some nice green, blue, or cerulean, as my friend called it. We have purple and some more red.
So now you're going to take your hair dryer and you're just going to melt all.
Now we're going to take our food coloring that we mixed with water and we're just going to put a little bit of it into the wells. Now the wells are just starting points in our design. What's happening? The water is moving through any path that it can, but the hydrophobic properties of wax make a barrier, guiding it along the path we want it to follow. Hydrophobic basically means that the wax is just afraid of water and doesn't want the water to touch it, so it keeps it within the barrier.
What happens when you heat the wax for longer?
What type of wax works best? Or ask your parents for any other material around the house.
Which colors travel the furthest?
Thanks for joining us today as we explore the wonderful world of microfluidics. We had a ton of fun and we hope that you did as well. We'd also hope that you would share your science with us. We've made some really cool looking microfluidics chips and we bet you have as well.